When I'm attaching the closure to the dome cap, I usually go from left to right, so the closure could be on there evenly and tight on both sides to prevent any kind of creases into the closure. So I'm going to finish attaching the closure onto the dome cap, and followed by that, I will be showing you guys how I cut and seal off my needle and thread. The face though. Now that I'm finished sewing the closure to the dome cap, I'm going to cut off the ends of the thread on each side. I'm going to then go in and tie each one of the threads like to each other a couple of times before I cut the excess thread off. And you can see here what I mean by that. Now the fun and easiest part of the wig making process is adding the bundles. I always start at the bottom by the elastic part of the dome cap. I only go through the material, never go through the stretchy part of the dome cap. When you first start off each bundle, you always go through the weft and through the dome cap at the same time to make sure you have a good securing. So okay, so right here you can see that I do not cut my bundles. I will fold them over. I will make it as flat as I could, but I do not cut my bundles. And later you will understand and feel why I say never cut these bundles, y'all. Like, it makes it so hard for us cosmetologists. Like, y'all don't understand this. At this point is when I decided I needed to switch locations because nobody in the house would let me work in peace. And hell, it's not like the lighting is not better up in here anyway. Okay, we getting somewhere. Okay, never ever, 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 ever cut your bundle webs. And never ever, ever try the hot glue gun method. It would destroy this hair literally. Like, if you don't want to wear it no more, the hair no more, then do it. But if you want to wear this hair again, please do not do it. I mean, not that it not only mess up the hair and thins the bundles out, but also it makes the job of doing this wig process so much harder. Like, you see, each individual pin is like where a track starts and stops. I had to sew it so it makes sure that it combined, make sure that it was secure. It just slows down the whole process of things. So why do it? Just don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Especially if you are one of my clients.